my name is Afnan, and in this video I will show you how we can set up MySQL latest version 8.0.39 on Windows 11. So let's start. So first of all, just simply open your browser and in browser search here MySQL download. Okay, just simply open first site, and after opening this just scroll down and go to MySQL community downloads. Okay, and in the MySQL community downloads, as we are in Windows, so just simply select MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, and in this it is showing MySQL connector version, latest version 8.0.39, as I told before. Just simply click on this second one, x86 32-bit MSI installer. Okay, just simply click on download. So now I don't need to sign up for downloading this. I just simply click on this, no thanks, just start my download. Okay, so within 2 or 3 minutes my download is completed, then we can set it. So I'll just show this in folder and just simply click on this. So a MySQL installer drop down open. So from here we just select custom option and just click on next. Okay, and from here we need to add all the product that we want to install. So just simply open these drop down and select this version, latest version 8.0.39, and from applications, as we need to download MySQL Workbench shell also, so just add these and MySQL shell also. Okay, all set. Just simply click on next, and after this the following product will be installed, and in the install product, that the all the product that we selected before are showing here. Okay, if you need to add, configure more products or delete something from these, so you just click on back and delete them. Okay, so just simply click on execute, and it is installing one by one. First of all MySQL server, then Workbench, then shell. Okay, so now here friends, my all products installation is completed, so just simply click on next, and in next my MySQL server is ready to configure. Just click on next. So now here is the port mentioned, you can change it or add another port if you want. So I'll just click add the port 3307, because I already have XAMPP installed and XAMPP port is 3306. Okay, so just I change this to 3307. If you don't have any port that conflict this 3306, then you don't need to change this. Okay, just simply click on next, and in the next it is showing you strong password for encryption or authentication. Okay, so just simply click on next, and in this I just add password is password. Okay, and password. Okay, just simple, and just simply click on next, and it is showing me all configuration, so left this same as it is, and just click on next. Okay, so I grant full access, and path is also mentioned where MySQL is installed. Okay, see program data MySQL server 8.0. Okay, so just simply click on next and execute. Okay, so now my MySQL installation is completed successfully. Okay, now we just make sure this our installation is successfully uh, added. We just need to configure this MySQL is completed install in our system or not. So just simply click on finish and click on next, and copy to clipboard, start MySQL Workbench after setup, no. Okay, just simply click on finish. Okay, so just go to CMD and in cmd just add use this command here, mysql version. Okay, so now it is showing me mysql version unrecognized. Okay, so just what we need to do here, just simply go to c drive where we install mysql program file, mysql, and in the mysql we just go to mysql server and bin. Okay, just simply copy this path and go to environmental variables, and in the environmental variable just simply open this, and in the path system variables path, okay, just simple open this, add new, and paste this link here. Okay, mysql server installation uh, link here. Okay, just simply click on ok, ok, and ok. So now I'll just simply open my cmd again. So now I'll just simple open my command prompt again and use this command again here that we used before, and it is showing us recognized command. Okay, so now just when I add this command, and it is showing me latest version of MySQL War 8.0.39 that we installed already. Okay, so it is showing me our MySQL installation is successfully installed in our system. So just simply close this, and I'll show you my SQL workbench. Okay, so here all things are working correctly. Okay, so you can I'll just add password here that we add in installation. When we are doing installation, just simply click on OK, and it opened my MySQL workbench successfully. Okay, so friend, this is our today's video topic, how we set up latest version of MySQL in Windows 11. So in the next video I will show you how we can create databases and create relational databases in MySQL and all the things. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video.